सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ श्लोका नंबर 439। न प्रत्यग्ब्रह्मणो भेदम् कदापि ब्रह्म सर्गयोः प्रज्ञया यो विजानाति स जीवन्मुक्तलक्षणः। Shankaracharya, dealing with the topic of a person who is liberated, Jivan Muktaha. Muktaha means freed from, liberated. Muktaha, free from. Free from what? Free from ignorance. When, not after death, Jivan, while living. So, Jivan Muktaha. Muktaha means a released person. Exact translation is a released person while living. While he is alive, he is a released person. That is the meaning of Jivan Muktaha. Released from what? Released from the bondage, conditions. Released from the sorrow. Released from the birth and death cycle. Released from unhappiness, released from ashanti, released from insecurity. All these comes under Jivan Mukti. What is his attitude when he is released from sorrow, when he is released from ashanti? How he looks at himself and the world and the God. Acharya points out here in 439 what we are seeing in the last class. Pratyak brahmanoho bhedam kadapi na pashyati. He never see, pashyati, or you have to supply the verb here. He never see the difference. Bhedam means the difference. Whenever we talk, difference means there must be two things. Once the word difference comes, difference between what and what? Between one, there is no between one. Between annale, two. Bhedam means a difference. Bhedam na pashyati means he never see the difference. That means there must be two things. What are those two things? Acharya says, Pratyak Brahmanoho. Pratyak means one's own nature. Jivatma, individual soul. His entity as a person. Pratyak. I, the human being, with primary and secondary I. Primary I and secondary I. OC plus RC. That is called Pratyak. This liberated person, Jivan Muktaha, knows this primary I is that which belongs to RC, The secondary I, Lakshyartha I, is the aham, consciousness. That is my real nature. He knows. That is called pratyak. That pratyak he knows. And he knows that Paramatma, that is Brahman, pratyak brahmanoho bhedam na pashyate. Jivatma eva Paramatma, individual soul alone is total. Total alone is individual. Both are one and the same in their content. Not by upadhi. By their content, inner core, that is consciousness, Brahma Chaitanya Drishtya, same, one and the same. Bhedaha na pashyati. This is the characteristic of a Jivan Muktaha. Not only that, Kadapi Brahma Sargayoho Bhedam na pashyati. Not only Jivatma and Paramatma, I am that Brahman only, Aham Brahmasmi. Not only that, the whole Jagat is also Brahman. The whole Jagat, whatever I am seeing, cannot be different from this Paramatma, the total Brahma Chaitanyam, not different from this Jagat. If it is different, so what? Suppose, let be Lord is Paramatma be there in Vaikuntha or Kailasa. Let be the world is there. What is the logical problem? We have to guess. A person come and ask, how can you say, okay, you the Jivatma, Paramatma, one and the same, we'll agree finally. But how this Jnani sees that non-difference between that Paramatma and this world? How is it possible? Some extent I can understand when I remove the Upadhi, this Chaitanyam, that Chaitanyam are one and the same, okay, I'll agree. But the whole universe, Sarga means what? Creation. This creation and that Brahman all one and the same, say, I am not able to swallow this. A person may question. So, world is different from God, he says. What is the problem? Logical problem. The problem is, if I see the creation separately from the Lord, this creation is limiting the Lord. It is standing apart. The creation, Jagat, is standing and Bhagavan is there, this world is there. That means what? That Bhagavan is not all-pervading. Are you getting the point? What is the logical problem here? This is very important. Aham Brahmasmi Cholanam. A whole Jagat is Brahman Cholanam. Isha Vasyamidam Jagat. You have to say. So, Tattva Bodha Visa. Jagat, Ishvara and Jiva. There is no difference. Then only Advaita Siddhi is possible. Advaita means what? Non-duality. There is no second thing at all. But what are all these things? All aberrations, appearance, not real, seemingly real. That's why the toughest task, looking at the whole world as that Brahman means, I have to work on that. Homework is what? Upadana Karanam, Nimitta Karanam, again all intelligent cause, material cause, he alone, he only became the world. World is nothing but God. And the statements are like, God exists. God created the world. Second one. Then God became the world. Third statement. Therefore, world is nothing but God. Oh, over Vedanta. Vedanta, over. Over Vedanta. We have received. That is very important. Therefore, now what is next? I am that Paramatma. Paramatma is different from the world, the creation, the Paramatma, and I Since I is equal to Paramatma, Paramatma is equal to Jagat, universe. Therefore, the whole universe, who is pervading? I, the consciousness alone pervading. Adi pottukono consciousness ani. I, the Brahma Chaitanyam alone pervading. I am pervading anna RCya, OCya. ஒரு வாட் அகங்காரம் ஆர்சி கூட வரும். Therefore, I, the Brahma Chaitanyam alone pervading the whole creation. As RC, I cannot pervade even little area. Impossible, I am Alpagnaha. But from conscious Chaitanya standpoint, Sarvagnaha. So this is called Jivan Mukta Lakshanam. If you have the thorough knowledge in this and assimilated knowledge, convinced all the time it is there in the mind, you are a Jivan Mukta, liberated person. So, Prajnaya Yaha Vijanati. Prajnaya, not by nodding head. Swamini, your teaching is so nice. My teaching nice illa. This is the fact. It is not Swamini, even Bhagavan, even Vedas. This is the truth. No one can deny, no one can negate. The fact is that, the truth is that, unnegatable, the three periods of time. Past, this is the truth, in the past also. Now in the present also, this is the truth. In future also, this is going to be the truth. No one can change this. Unnegatable fact. Own up that fact. Bhagavan has given intellect to us only to own up this fact. Nothing else. Other intelligence, everything for survival. Ultimately, I have to use my intellect for this knowledge. How to get knowledge? To get BSc, MSc certificate, how many years we are studying? How many exams we are writing? Night, day and night we are struggling and struggling to get that certificate. Imagine, for this ordinary நமக்கு சர்வைவலுக்கே இத்தனை வருஷம் கஷ்டப்படுறோமே ஒரு சர்டிஃபிகேட்டுக்காக. To know that unnegatable truth, how much effort I have to put. Day and night I have to spend time. Then daily keep Swamini class and you may ask. I need not keep class every day. You listen and contemplate on the subject. That's what our job. Clear? So Shravanam and Mananam Nididhyasanam. Nididhyasanam you have to do on your own. So therefore, Prajnaya, that is called Prajnaya, with conviction, by knowledge. Vijanati. There is no Nammakam, Shraddha, all belief and all here. There is no question of belief. Only Karma Kanda, up to Karma Kanda, belief, okay. Once it comes to Jnana Kanda, you have to use your buddhi. Thinking is very important. It is not meant for non-thinking people. Vedanta meant for whom? Thinking people. Many people think what? Vedanta is for those people who are failed in their life. Because of some problem they go to Vedanta. Idella or misconception irukke. Whoever having problem, failed in their life, they go to Vedanta. Ye Vedanta class pori enna problem? Unfortunate thing. Unfortunate thing. If they go to Gita class, Upanishad class, பாவம் லைஃப்ல எப்படி வாழ்னா சந்தோஷமா இருக்கிறது தெரியல இவனுக்குன்னு சொல்லுவான். அப்படி இல்லை. இது for the thinking person, he want to know why the sufferings at all. Why human beings suffering at all? Mental agony, why one has to undergo? I want to find out the solution. That person come to this and study until he get knowledge. Ada Vijanati. Yaha Vijanati Prajnaya, by his buddhi saha Jivan Muktaha. How boldly Shankaracharya, telling to the student, a student, everyone has to own up this. It is your Swarupam. It is not teacher need not give. You need not beg. Teacher is reminding you, you are that, you are that, you are that. Your original nature. You are wonderful, Amrita Swarupanam, immortal Atman. I am. Next shloka we will read. Sadhubhih pujyamanosmin पीड्यमानेऽपि दुर्जनैः समभावो भवेद्यस्य स जीवन्मुक्तलक्षणः. உன்னுடைய லட்சணம் என்னன்னு கேட்போம் இல்லையா, அவர் லட்சணம் பாரு எப்படி இருக்கான்னு. லட்சணம் என்னன்னு, த ஸ்வபாவா, த கேரக்டரிஸ்டிக், த வே ஆஃப் திங்கிங், த ஹோல் பர்சனாலிட்டி. லக்ஷணா, வாட் இஸ் தட்? பூஜ்யமானே சாதுபிஹி பீड्यमाने दुर्जनैहि अपि समभावः भवेत् यस्य. यस्य, to whom पूज्यमाने साधुभिः. Some people, sadhubhihi means some good people, they will worship him. The jnani, a jivan mukta, a mahatma is there. Some people will come and give bhiksha, they give food, shelter, they give lot of respect, they give, do pada puja, and they provide whatever he requires or she requires. Sadhubhihi pujyamanaihi api. Pujyamanana, worshipping, adoring. Sometimes same mahatma jnani durjanaihi pidhyamani. There are some people, bad people, evil minded people, they criticize that mahatma, the jnani, jivan mukta. Sometimes people criticize that jivan mukta, they do not know he is a jivan mukta, he is a jnani, he is a great mahatma. He is a sombarian, நினைச்சு வேலை பண்றது பிடிக்கல இவருக்கு, therefore he want to eat from somebody, don't like to cook, don't like to earn, not a productive person in the society. Like that they take and they go on telling useless society ki useless irika, waste burden to the society in nenupa. Durjanai, not only they will not keep quiet with that pidhyamane, they put lot of insults, censure him, looking down upon him, and putting lot of blames on him, and physically they come and create some problem. Mentally they create problems, verbally they abuse him or her. It will happen many times. Even great mahatmas were always insulted by the ordinary people. And one side there are group of people, noble people, worship them, adore them, look at them as God, and they keep that mahatma photo in their puja room. Some people, they make their, they burn their effigy, they burn their and the bommai. Paranga, two extremities. Where is puja room is worshipped by the people, noble people, good people, and burning his own that figure by other people, and insulting him in all newspapers, they are all waiting, news kaha they are waiting. They want to get news, Samabhavaha yasya. Very difficult, Equal minded, equanimity towards those two people, Even they are bad, evil-minded people insulting one side, and noble people are worshipping him. Towards both of them, equanimous mind. He will not criticize them. He will not praise these people. What is state of mind? No? Because he knows that these people are talking because of ignorance. That censure and all, as long as this prarabdha is there, the body is there, it has to undergo. Nothing will touch him. It cannot disturb him. Then only he is Jivan Mukta. Otherwise he is also having raga dvesha towards the people. How can he can be called as Jivan Mukta? So in spite of that criticism, censure is going on, he is inside pious, inner tranquility. Apuryamanam achala pratishtham. Just a magnanimous, like an ocean inside. That's why very difficult to know the jnani's mind. Ordinary people cannot recognize. That is what he says, samabhavaha bhavet esya. யாருக்கு இந்த சமபாவம் இருக்குமோ அவனுதா ஜீவன் முக்தன். அப்படின்னா இந்த ஜென்மக்கு வருமா சுவாமின்னு எனக்கு நமக்கு தோணும். Can I get in this birth? Why not? Once you own up that Brahman nature, it is spontaneous. People say, he is having very equanimity mind, no partiality. He is so equal-minded. He looks everyone equally. This is all chuma. Ignorant person can never have absolute samabhava. There are people, deliberately they imitate samabhava. எல்லாரும் சாப்பிட்டீங்களா, நல்லா சாப்பிடுங்க, இதெல்லாமே டெலிபரேட்டா ஃபேக் இட் அண்ட் மேக் இட் மாதிரி கர்மயோகம். இந்த கர்மயோகி என்ன பண்ணுவான்னா, the social service, Lions Club, Rotary Club, overall doing all these people, good only. They're all equally giving to the orphanages and equally distributing, equally looking at all people equally. But they are not Atma Jnanis. But they look at the people equally. This is the difference between a Karma Yogi and a Jnani. This equanimity which is born out of only just service. So this is a value deliberately he practices and brings it, not spontaneous. It is not born out of knowledge. But whereas a Jnani's samabhava is spontaneous. சமபாவங்கிறது நான் கொண்டு வர வேண்டாம், அது என்னுடைய நேச்சர். அதுதான். தட் இஸ் த டிஃபரன்ஸ் பிட்வீன் எ ஞானி அண்ட் கர்மயோகி. கர்மயோகிஸ் சமத்வம் இஸ் ஆபேக்ஷிகம். ஆபேக்ஷிகம் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? இட் கம் இன் டைம். No? Deliberately put an effort and brings that samatva bhavana. But whereas Jnani's nature is samatvam, because I am consciousness. Consciousness alone is there. How can I see the difference? How can I see unequally? So very, very important this point. So atyantika samabhava. Jnani samabhava is atyantikam. Spontaneous. That is samatva nishtha. Nishtha means abiding. Abiding in equanimous mind, all the time. So therefore fake it and make it. Just first imitate. Deliberately be samatvama irungo. Adikapra mullama, and the value will give purity of mind. Then that purity of the mind slowly take you to jnanam. Next shloka we will read. 441. यत्र प्रविष्टा विषयाः परेरिताः नदी प्रवाहा इव वारिराशौ लीनन्ति सन्मात्रतया न विक्रियाम् उत्पादयन्त्येष यतिर्विमुक्तः Yatra. Yatra means in whom, in which sannyasi or in which Jivan Mukta. Jivan Mukta we can call sannyasi. Sannyasi, even though not conventional sannyasa, ashrama sannyasa is not there also, if he is Jivan Muktaha, he is as good as a sannyasi or a sannyasini. Okay, ladies. No, nothing wrong in that. Real jnanam alone is the criteria here, not ashrama sannyasa. So therefore, according to Shankaracharya, a Jivan Muktaha is as good as sannyasi. So you are all sannyasis only. Don't tell to your family members. Okay, in between us. Amma. Dress maathikla avladha. Mentally you are all sannyasis. Is it not? Yatra, in whom parerita vishayaha linanti, in whom these objects, vishayaha means sense objects, worldly matters. What are they? Para iritaha. Iritaha, para means by other people. Iritaha means uktaha. Said by other people, instigated by other people, said, people go on propellers. They are all like propellers, we can say. Propellers means they go on asking, wife, husband, mother, children, what they do? Amma, give this one, do that one, bring that one. You think like this. Thinking also they manipulate. You have to think in this way. So everyone want to condition the other person, control the other person. They want to. அது வேற வேலை இல்லை. அவன் மேலே எப்படியாவது நமக்கு அந்த அன்போ பாசமோ ஏதோ ஒன்று காமிக்கணுமே. So therefore something or other we talk. This is called para irita. When he is going out somewhere, இப்படி போ, இந்த ரூட்டா போ, அத்தனை மணிக்கு போகணும், அங்கே இருக்கணும், எல்லாமே இதை சொல்லி அனுப்புவான். அவனு ரூட்டை மறந்துடுவான். So people go on talking. லைஃப்பில் என்ன பண்ணணும், how to settle yourself, where to go, where to work, which job is better. Go on asking unasked questions, unasked advice. These are all called parayiritaha. அதில் நமக்கு ஒரு சந்தோஷம் அப்படி சொல்லும் போது, that person also, see how many people are taking care of me. This person also who is getting advice also is happy. So many people are taking care of me. My son is always thinking about me only, Swamini. Or my daughter is thinking always about. Today they will think, tomorrow they will take from you. Lot of work from you also. அதுக்கு கூட ரெடியாக இருக்கணும். நம்ம என்ன டேக்கிங் கேரில் சந்தோஷமாக இருப்போம். when they want some work from us, ஐயோ மாட்டிட்டானே. Where there is responsibility, there is care, there is responsibility. Where there is responsibility, there is care. Both are interconnected. சன்னியாசிக்கு ரெண்டுமே கிடையாது, ஜீவன் முக்தனுக்கு ரெண்டுமே கிடையாது. Even some people go on giving advice or suppose taking care of that person also. He will not show any extra interest in that. Parairitaha vishayaha, how they are submerged into all these which are all instigated by other people, suggestions, plans, life plans, idellame whatever given by other people, family members, friends or other elders, all this submerge like a river water, nadi pravaha, streams, the small rivers, how they submerge into ocean. Vari rashau. Vari means water, rashi means samuham, the whole water, that is called ocean. Vari rashi means waters reservoir, like rashi means reservoir. What is biggest reservoir? Ocean, into whom everything submerge. Like that, in this person, Jivan Mukta also, all these parairitaha vishayaha, the sense objects, the sense pleasures and thinking about that, everything will submerge. Namke vasti mele mele irukkum. Is go on doing his duty. Kani ullakulla adu mele patru irukadu. Attachment irukadu. Lotus leaf madri. Lotus leaf eppadi irukum? And the water drop pata thodave thodadu adukku. If you no, nothing, அங்கே வாட்டர் இருந்ததா முன்னாடி எனக்கு தோணும் நமக்கு. இட் இஸ் ஸோ டிரான்ஸ்பரண்ட் அண்ட் எனி டைம் இட் மே ஃபால் டவுன். சேம் பியூட்டி ஆல்சோ இஸ் தேர் வென் ஞானி இஸ் ஃபங்க்ஷனிங். அந்த வாட்டர் ட்ராப் அந்த லோட்டஸ் லீஃப் எவ்வளோ அழகாக இருக்கும் பார்த்துடும், பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும், பேர்ல் மாதிரி இருக்கும். சிமிலர்லி இந்த ஞானி கூட உலகத்தில் when he is interacting with the world, it is so beautiful. At the same time, unattached, with a detached mind. இதெல்லாம் வெளியில் சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஃபேமிலி மெம்பர்ஸுக்கு சொன்னால் இவனுக்கு என்னமோ ஆச்சுன்னு சொல்லுவான். That's why the way you are thinking, the level is different. It is not possible for all people to grasp. Because of long study, you have arrived. You can share with your guru, with colleagues, those who are studying along with you, in the same wavelength. You can share. ரொம்ப ஆனந்தமாக இருக்குது. சொல்லணுமா ஆனந்தமாக இருக்குமா இருக்காது? ரிசல்ட்ஸ் வந்து எக்ஸாமில் பாஸ் ஆனால் குழந்தை என்ன பண்ணுவா? எனக்கு அப்படி தான் வரும் ஒரு வாட்டி. முன்னாடிலாம் சாஸ்திரம் படிக்கும்போது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். அந்த குழந்தை வந்து ரிசல்ட் காமிச்சுன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிஸ்டிங்ஷனில் பாஸ்ன்னு அந்த பேப்பரை கொண்டு வந்து அப்படியே தூக்கி போட்டு எப்படி கேட்ச் அண்ட் கோ அண்ட் ஹக் த ஃபாதர் மதர் ஆன் தேர் ஷோல்டர்ஸ் அண்ட் ஹி ஜம்ப்ஸ் லைக் எனி திங். அது மாதிரி ஞானம் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம், அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி ஞானம் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஒரு ஆர்டினரி எம்எஸ் பிஎஸ்சிக்கு இவ்வளோ சர்டிஃபிகேட்டுக்கு இவ்வளோ சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தேன்னா, நான் பிரம்மனை தெரிஞ்சதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கும்? அது பிகினிங்கில் தான், அப்புறம் இருக்காது. பிகினிங்கில் தான் அந்த ஒரே எக்ஸ்டசி. சம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் தே குதிக்கணும் போல தோன்றது சுவாமினி. ஆனால் அந்த கிளாஸு கேட்கும் போது தே வாண்ட் டு ஜம்ப். தட்ஸ் ட்ரூ இந்த பிகினிங்கில். அப்புறம் தானாக ஆனந்தம் அது வருது. நல்லது, ஃபஸ்ட்டு அப்படி வரணும். எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் சந்தோஷம் அப்படி சொன்னேன். இல்லை குருவி கூட அந்த ஆனந்தம் தானே இல்லையோ? பரவாயில்ல, நம்ம சொல்கிறதெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. இட் இஸ் ஒர்க்கிங் சம்திங் அண்ணா. பட் லேட்டர் இட் வில் பிகம், இதுதானே என்னோட நேச்சரு. இதில் பெரிய ஆச்சரியம் என்ன? அவருக்கு ஆச்சரியம் இருக்காது, மற்றவங்களுக்கு ஆச்சரியமாக இருக்கும் அக்ஞானேசிக்கு. ஓகே, அது மாதிரி ஹவு தே மெர்ஜ் பிரவிஷ்டாக. Just as the river water enters into the ocean, similarly this person's all vishayas merge in his sanmatra. Sanmatrataya, third line. Na vikriyam utpadayanti. These rivers can go and disturb the ocean. Na vandita disturb pannuma enna? Vanda you come and join. Ocean will never disturb it. அந்த அச்சலம் ஸ்டெடியே இருக்கும் ஓஷன். எத்தனை ரிவர்ஸ், ஹவு மச் வாட்டர் இஸ் கோயிங் இன் டு த ஓஷன். தட் ஓஷன் யூ கோ இன் த மிடில் ஆஃப் த ஓஷன். இட்ஸ் ஸோ ஸ்டெடி. அச்சலம் ஆபூரியமான அச்சல பிரதிஷ்டம். சமுத்திரம் ஆபஹ பிரவிசந்தி யத்வத் தத்வத் காமாயம் பிரவிசந்தி சர்வே சசாந்தி மாப்னோதி சகாம காமி. A desirous person will never get happiness whose desires are submerged in the Brahma Jnanam. Out of Brahma Jnanam, they all become insignificant. That person alone get Shanti, not Kamakami. The one who desires desirable objects, he never be happy. That same sloka of 2nd chapter end, Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna said that Shankaracharya recollecting here. Beautiful shloka. Na utpadayanti vikriyam. They will not create any fluctuations. Vikriya na change, modification, vikaram. In the madri raga dvesham, it will not come in his mind. They always submerge because of that knowledge. Sanmatrataya. Sanmatrataya nanartham. Sat matrataya. Sat means truth. Brahman. San. No? Linanti sanmatrataya na vikriyam utpadayanti. Because of that establishing, abiding in that own nature, because of knowledge, they will not create any vikarams, vikriyam. Vikriyam enartham, any change in him. எப்பவுமே ஒரே மாதிரி இருப்பான். That is why saha jivan muktaha yatihi vimuktaha. Yeshaha yatihi vimuktaha. This person, whoever is not disturbed by these vishayas because of Atma Jnanam, saha yatihi means sannyasi, munihi, yatate iti yatihi. Because of his effort, he has acquired this knowledge. Saha vimuktaha. He is a liberated person. So, நம்ம liberated இல்லையான்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு இது எல்லாம் அடையாளம். ஓகே, ஒன்ஸ் இன் எ வைல் எனக்கு இருக்கா இந்த குணம் எல்லாமே இல்லையோ இல்லைன்னா திருப்பி I have to practice. Next shloka. So, stuti, ninda, harsha, amarsha, all this will go away. Dukkhesh vanudignavanaha sukhesh vigataspruhaha. Dukkham vandanam, sukham vandanam, ஒரே மாதிரி இருப்பான். Even it shows a few seconds, immediately recovers. FIR. He recover immediately. Frequency of disturbance is less. Intensity of disturbance is also less. Recovery period is soon. No? He recovered immediately. அதுதான் நிறைய எஃப்ஐஆர் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும். அந்த எஃப்ஐஆர் இல்லை, வேற போலீஸ்க்கு இதெல்லாம் எஃப்ஐஆர் கிடையாது, நம்ம எஃப்ஐஆர். ஸோ இந்த எஃப்ஐஆர் நிறைய வாட்டி பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும். ஆம் ஐ ரிகவரிங் ஃபாஸ்ட்? ஆம் ஐ மை இன்டென்சிட்டி ஹேஸ் ரெடியூஸ்ட்? அதெல்லாம் பார்த்தா ஆமாம் ஆமாம் கொஞ்சம் இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் இருக்கு అని தோணும். அதுதான் வினிர்முக்தா ஆர் விமுக்தா. That person alone is liberated. That parayirita, I said, shabda rupena, by people, by their words, shabda irita, and shabdam, sparsha, by touch, by seeing forms, by lot of words from people, by listening to them. All this called parayirita, paravukta nartham. And he finally come to know that Ananda is from him, like fountain, no? Water fountain you have seen, and the water comes from where? Recycling, no? Water. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கும், திருப்பி போய் மళ్ళీ அதே மேலே வந்துடும். The person knows all this Ananda, where from I am getting? My nature only, my original nature only. He person knows. How can I give any certificate to others? How can I praise others? How can I discard any? How can I criticize others? So, aham eva sarvam. I am the problem, I am the solution. Problem yarkanna ajnaniki problem, ஞானிக்கு ப்ராப்ளமே கிடையாது. அவ்வளோ சீக்கிரமாக வராது, நிறைய சாதனை பண்ணணும். டிசப்பாயின்மெண்ட் இருக்கக்கூடாது, எப்பவுமே அப்பாயின்மெண்ட் தான். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா we will read. ஸ்லோகா நம்பர் 442. விஜ்ஞாத பிரம்ம தத்வஸ்ய யதா பூர்வம் ந சம்ஸ்ருதிஹ அஸ்தி சேன்ன ச விஜ்ஞாதம் ब्रह्म भावो बहिर्मुखः. Now Shankaracharya says this person, once he gets jnanam, will he not have any problem? Samsriti, and means these worldly problems, will he not have any problems? Question. For that question he answers here. Vijnata Brahma Tattvasya Yatha Purvam Na Samsriti. Yatha Purvam Samsriti means Purva Ajnana Kale, whatever he faced the problem, samsriti means samsara problems, that is not there in this person. Yatha Purvam. Munnadi madri irukadu. Reaction, respond, all these things will change. Yatha Purvam Samskritihi na bhavati. Vijnata Brahma Tattvasya. Brahma Tattva Vijnata, the knower of Brahman nature as himself or herself. Tattva means nature. Tattvam, the nature of what? Brahma Tattvam, the nature of that Brahman. How he understood that Brahman? Brihattamatvad Brahma, Chaitanya Swarupatvad Brahma. The whole Jagat is matter. This matter can never function without that Brahman, including this body-mind complex made up of 5 elements. It has no existence of its own. Its substratum is Brahman, that is consciousness, that I am. This is called Brahma Tattvam. Vijnata, the knower of that Brahma Tattvam as himself or herself. That's why Brahma Tattvasya Vijnata. Brahman Allah Theriyum Swamini, he is all pervading. Shuddha Buddha Mukta Swarupaha Brahmanu. Nana. That is the problem. Many people know about Ishvara as Almighty, powerful. God is everything. God alone giving everything. Amma, God alone giving everything. Are you happy? But my problems are continuing so. In spite of knowing that Brahman, all-pervading Brahman, powerful, Chaitanyam, conscious entity, Alaha Shulva, omniscient, omnipotent, Sarvajna, knower of everything. Are nee enna panna? Brahman Pati, Ishwaran Pati Purinjata. In the Puranas, the story, glorification by just knowing, I am not going to get any benefit. Just they are only stepping stones to purify your mind. Your ignorance will continue. That Almighty Ishvara who is all pervading, who is in Vaikunta, but he who is in Kailasha, he is none other than Brahman. That Brahman is Chaitanyam, is I am, my real nature. Adi solra varakku nama problem continue ainde irukum. Not verbally, just lip movement. Lip movement சொல்லக்கூடாது. அவர் அழகாக உபன்யாசம் சொல்லுவார், நல்லா பேசுவார். எல்லாம் பேசி பிரயோஜனம் கிடையாது. நிஷ்டை வேணும். இந்த நிஷ்டை ஷுட் கம். பேசி என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? 10 பேர் கிளாப் அடிச்சுப்பா இது போயிடுவான். ஈவன் த உபன்யாசக ஆல்சோ cannot enjoy just lip movement. People come and praise, he is so great orator, he is great speaker எல்லாம் சொல்லி போயிடுவான். ஈவன் துக்கம் அப்படியே இருக்கும். லிப் மூமெண்ட் ஆனா என்ன பிரயோஜனம் எனக்கு? Even teachers, speakers also, if they don't have nishtha, enjoy that Brahma Jnana Phalam, the verbal lip movement like a parrot. It is like a parrot chirping all the time. That's why Shastra says, that is very difficult, Manushyanam Sahasreshu. If you own up the fact, if you have nishtha, you are the enjoyer. Jnana phalam ungal kaila da irukku, not for others' sake. That's why this person never bother about name, fame, all these things. Always looking at himself or herself. Where am I? Am I enjoying that Brahma Jnana phalam, or still am I suffering with ragadvesha? And that person is always Atma Rama Ananda Ramana, dwelling in one's own nature. That's why minimizing the talk, worldly matters, worldly interactions, all these we have to minimize. Then you go deeper. That's what Acharya says. Asti chetana. Suppose he is having samsruti. Again, janana marana, fear of death, insecurity. These are all called samsruti. Insecurity, unhappiness, worry about the future. Plan enna agumo, naalik enna agumo, what will happen to my children, what will happen to my house. All these worry, samsruti. If it is there, asti chet. न सहा विज्ञाता ब्रह्म भावः सहा ब्रह्म भावः न विज्ञाता बड़ा बोल्ड சொல்றார் சங்கராச்சார்ய பாருங்க. If anybody is having that samsruti, fear of death, fear of future, worry about future, worry about the things, what is going to happen to my body, all these things, if it is there in him, he is not understood the Brahma Bhava. The nature of Brahman as himself is not understood. He may be a great Pandita. He knows whole thing, Shastra. But still, he is not able to assimilate. He could not assimilate it. Why? What is the reason? Because Bahirmukhaha. He is extroverted person. That's why you could not assimilate the teaching. In spite of listening from 10 years. 10 years and 15 years. Extroverted. That is why many people, in the படிப்புக்கு இருக்கட்டும் சுவாமி, இது ஒரு academically they feel Bhagavad Gita நானும் படிக்கிறேன், எனக்கு தெரியும் 18 chapter finished. Upanishad 6, 7 finished. Where am I? அதுதான் தெரியல. That is why finishing the books and books again and again repeatedly listening will not work. How much you have assimilated is the question. How much you have assimilated. That is why never become extroverted. A Vedantic student who want to abide, who want to get nishtha, snap with that extrovertedness. No other way. No other way. You have to disconnect with the people. ஏன்னா நம்ம தள்ளிண்டே போறோம் டைம், அப்புறம் பார்த்துக்கிறேன் வச்சுட்டே இருக்கோம். extrovertedness go on with this relation, that relation. விடமாட்டா. They won't release you, no. They want to utilize your energy, money, everything. Even sannyasini they are not leaving. What to talk of grihastha? சன்னியாசி கூட அந்த வேலை இந்த வேலை சொல்லி அது பண்ணுங்க இது பண்ணுங்க ரெனோவேஷன் பண்ணுங்க இது பண்ணுங்க எப்படி புல் பண்ணிட்டு சன்மாஜத்துலக்கு பகிர்முகம் ஆக்கிட்டு அந்த சன்னியாசி லைஃபோட பர்பஸே இல்லாமலே he is becoming a big grihastha. That is why sannyasi always has to withdraw maximum time. Sannyasa, once it comes, you should not become an active person in the society. If you want to become active, you need not take sannyasa. Why grihastha ashrama? Be there. Be like an unmarried person. Why sannyasa ashrama? Sannyasa ashrama is meant to study, to teach. Study, teach. Only abhyasa. Sannyasa ashrama meant for only jnana yoga, not for social service. Panda vikkanum. All of you do anu sollane thavar nama poga koodadhu, jump panna koodadhu. Appo nama pannunga neenga vaangu koopradanga. People, very very difficult, no? The sannyasi to withdraw from this, to inspire them, he has to say alla ellar pannunga. Our figure irundha ivangala pannuva. Appuram அவர் என்ன பண்ணுவார், மாட்டினார் சன்னியாசி கூட. இதெல்லாம் பகிர்முகம். வந்த பர்பஸ் மறந்துட்டோம் ஆயிடும். It's very very difficult, not so easy. That's what Acharya says. That's why samsara continues. அவருக்கு கூட எக்கச்சக்கமான ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ், மைக்ரைன், ஹெடேக், பேக் பெயின் எல்லாமே வந்துடும் அங்கே போன உடனே. A lot of responsibilities, take care of this and that this institution. Bahirmukhata. Once you get nishtha, highest nishtha, either you become an active sannyasi or inside you sit and quiet, either you teach, you don't teach, doesn't matter. But until you get nishtha, very difficult. After getting nishtha, okay, you can just give suggestions to them. Other people will be misguided. And sannyasi அப்படி இருக்கும்போது நம்ம இதெல்லாம் அட்வான்டேஜ் எடுத்துருப்போம். So once you involve in the world, you have to talk, you have to say so many things, you have to transactions, எல்லா problems. That's why அவங்கள பிராரப்தம் என்ன பண்றது, சன்னியாசி கூட அவர் ஒரு பிராரப்தம் இருக்கும். அதான் சொல்ல போறார் நெக்ஸ்ட்ல. Next shloka we will read 443. Prachina vasana vegat asau samsarati chet. Oh, sorry. असौ संसरतीति चेत् न सदेकत्वविज्ञानात् मन्दी भवति वासना. So to get that antarmukhatvam, to come out of that bahirmukha, extrovertedness, and he has to become introverted, especially a sadhaka. First thing, control your tongue, talking tongue. Talk very, very minimum. அது பண்ணாலே நாவடங்கினால் நாளும் அடங்கும். நமக்கு அதே அடங்க மாட்டேங்கிறது. ஈட்டிங் டங், டாக்கிங் டங் அடங்க மாட்டேங்கிறது. அது பகிர்முகம். டேக் இட் ஆஸ் எ விரதம். இட் இஸ் ஏ விரதம், இட் இஸ் ஏ vow. Talk less. That means your sadhana, you are intensifying an artham. Try பண்ணி பாருங்க. You are going closer towards your inner nature. Antarmukhatvam. Antarmukha samaradhya. Bahirmukha sudurlabha. Inge லலிதா சஹஸ்ரநாமம் படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கும். ஆனால் நம்ம பகிர்முகமா. Antarmukha samaradhya. You have to become introvert and worship her, Lalita, and you will get that knowledge. Bahirmukha sudurlabhan. A person who is extroverted, he can never get that. அதே வேதாந்தம் வாக்கியம் புரியுறதா? எப்போது முன்னாடி, இப்போ வேதாந்தத்துக்கு வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் that meaning we can understand. அந்தர்முக சமாராத்யா பகிர்முக சுதுர்லபா. என்ன we find out such words only. ஏன்னா நமக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும் வேதாந்தத்துக்கு. Okay, now here this another question. Suppose the mind, we may think, suppose he is free from the samsara, what about his vasanas? Previous subconscious level or vasanas ella undilliyo, they are at subconscious level. And the கோபம், irritation, இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் உள்ளக்குள்ள வாசனா ரூபம்ல இருக்கு இல்லையோ, அதெல்லாம் என்ன ஆகும்? ஒரு டவுட் வரலாம், அந்த சந்தேகம் வரலாம். Acharya says they all will become feeble slowly, gradually. How? Prachina vasana vegaha. The vega means the speed, the force. The speed and force of the prachina means our janma samskaras, vasanas at subconscious level. நமக்கே தெரியாது. நம்ம சர்ஃபேஸுக்கு அது வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நமக்குள்ள இதெல்லாம் இருக்குன்னு நமக்கே தோணும். ஏன் நான் நல்லவனு தானே இருக்கேன், இன்னைக்கு இவ்வளோ கோபம் வந்தது எனக்கு, நமக்கே டவுட்டு. மார்னிங் ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கும் மனசு, ஆஃப்டர் 1 hour அனதர் மாதிரி. அது ஏதாவது ப்ராப்ளம் வந்தப்போ இன்னும் யூ சீ த ஃப்ளக்சுவேஷன். இதெல்லாம் எப்படி தெரியும் சுவாமினி உங்களுக்கு? எல்லாம் சொல்கிறாங்க எல்லாருமே. இப்படி ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் இருக்கும்போது தேர் some are personal experience also. We also gone through life. Some are personal, some are by listening. We come to know. இந்த மார்னிங் ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கும், மத்தியானம் ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கும். மத்தியானம் வரைக்கும் வேண்டாம், 1 ஹவருக்கு லேட்டர் இட் ஒர்க்ஸ். நானா அப்படி திங்க் பண்ணது, நானா அப்படி பேசினது, அரே అని தோணும். இதுதான் பிராச்சீன வாசனா. Vasana vegaha, the force. It's force and a balam. It has lot of force. Samsarati iti chet. Samsarati. If he moves, asau samsarati. He moves with those past vasanas. Sadekatva vijnanat. Once he is moving, suppose the vasanas are there, he is moving in interactions, doing minimum are there, no minimum interaction, survival kaha interaction pannanume, saapadu venum, shelter venum, food, clothes venum, minimum interaction vechukanam. Samsarati, he is moving, interacting with the people. Samsarati, but that jnanam is there. Sadekatva, sadeva ekaha, ekatva vijnanat. By knowing that non-dual Sat, Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma, by knowing that, Vasana Mandi Bhavati. Gradually, they will become weaker, weaker and weaker. All these vasanas, whatever is there, whatever was there in previous, Janmas I have accumulated, I do not know. But I need not feel guilty. I need not feel bad. Even desires also. Once the desire comes, I need not feel guilty. I do not know what desire comes at what time. At their arrival, I have no choice. Because the body is made up of Prakriti, 3 gunas. And no control. Desires will arise. You never plan, so and so time I should get this desire. Today evening 6 o'clock, let me get this desire. Tomorrow morning, let me get this desire. If sollittu varuma desire. Sollamale entrance lo nikkum வந்து என்ன பண்ணணும், என்ன so many desires, ஒன்னா ரெண்டா எத்தனை desires, எத்தனை desires, so many desires. They all come and stand. You have to look at them one by one. Either to fulfill, which one to fulfill, which one not to fulfill. If to fulfill, what way I have to fulfill. All these I have to plan before implementing. There you have willpower. Arrival of desires, I have no control. Desire is very normal. Any desire for that matter. Any desire. That's why Kamo Karshit, Kama Devata ani sollirkom நம்ம. பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம we never criticize the Kama. We never look down upon the Kama. There are Shubha Kamas, there are Ashubha Kamas. Shubha Shubhabhyam Margabhyam Vahanti Vasana Sarit. Vasana, Shubha Vasana is there, Ashubha Vasana are there. Bad thoughts also arise, bad desires, evil desires. And Shubha Vasana, good desires. మడలో కూడా సైక్లోన్లో కూడా వివేక చూడమని క్లాసు పోవడము అని వరదన్న శుభవాసన பாருங்க என்ன சுபவாசனை, அது டிசைடு தான். கேன் யூ சே இட் இஸ் ராங்? நோ. ஸோ சுபாபியாம் மார்காபியாம் வஹந்தி வாசனா சரித். த வாசனாஸ் ஆர் போத் சுபா அண்ட் அசுபா. But a sadhaka should take Shubha Vasana only has to encourage. He has to take up Shubha Vasana. Ashubha Vasanas he has to nullify. Slowly, 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 Mandi Bhavati Vasana. How they will become Manda? Attend classes more and more, listen, do Nididhyasanam, study again and again repeatedly, they will become Manda. Feeble, weaken. Easily they will become weaken. You need not do anything. Study Shastra, they will become weaken. Without study Shastra, ayyo vasanas ella varade, desires ella varade, adi patti solli enna prayojanam? Go more towards Sakshi Bhava. Look at them as a Sakshi, witnesser. I am the Sakshi, witnessed consciousness, witnessing consciousness. All these desires are floating. All these Shubha Vasanas are floating. Pick up all Shubha Vasanas, use them, get maturity, grow, and come to Jnanam. The Shubha Vasanas. Nullify these Ashubha Vasanas. Not suppression. Look at them. They are also part of life. But never encourage them. Never nourish them, because they will not allow me to go to my real nature. They are all obstacles. Therefore, I have to decide. Ada mandi bhavati vasana. Next shloka, we will just read. Atyanta kamakasyapi vrittih kunthati matari tathaiva brahmani jnate purnanande manishinaha. Shankaracharya gives a beautiful example here. Even a kamuka, a desire person, no, who wants, a lot of pleasures, sensual pleasures, that person, when he sees his mother, all will subside. One's own mother, and the kama vritti will not come. Whenever he sees other women, he may get kama vritti, but amman paatha udane and the kama vritti adangi poidum appadiye. அதே உமன் தான். பட் மாதாங்கிற ஒரு பாவனை வந்த உடனே அந்த காம விருத்தி வில் பி டிசால்வ்டு. அதே மாதிரி எப்போ பிரம்ம ஞானம், அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி ஞானம் வருமோ, இந்த காம விருத்திஸ், ஆல் த தாட்ஸ், ஆல் வாசனாஸ், அசுப வாசனாஸ் வில் பி dissolved. He will not get anything. That I'll explain in the next class more elaborately. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om.